Hi guys, it's Tony again. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well, okay? So in this video, I would like to talk about the products themselves, okay? Should you buy this one or should you buy that one? Which one is the criteria that you need to use in order to pick the good one out of all the bad ones out there? Because from my experience for the first 2 years of my affiliate marketing journey, I've been buying so many products that actually it's not worth the value of my money that I invested in. So I don't want you to just go down that route and promoting something that is not so good to your reputation, because nowadays in the internet land, you know, the reputation is everything. The credibility, the reputation, your name and everything is really gonna stick with you for a long time, and if it's not good, you are likely to be in trouble, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, welcome back. So the things that you need to look at, you know, there are a few points that you need to look at in order to pick and judge which products are actually good, okay? We'll begin with the first one, okay? The first one is you need to look at the review. Okay, the reviews that people have done on YouTube, on Google search, on also other platforms, okay? It's something that you need to do your due diligence, okay? In order to pick which one is good or bad, just in general, okay? Because sometimes you just cannot believe all those reviews 100%. Most of the time, those people who are doing the reviews, they just have some motives behind what they are actually doing in the front page, okay? Because most of the time those people, they want to sell something in the back end instead of the things that they are actually reviewing. So they are leading you to believe that, oh, this product is like this and like that, and at the end they would propose something to you guys saying, oh, I have an alternative one that is a lot better than the one that you are actually looking at. So you might consider to buy this one from me and things like that. So you have to bear in mind that all the reviews are not 100% accurate, but it also can give, you know, the general idea of how the product is. You know, you might want to take a look at a few other people who are doing the reviews, and then you compare and contrast the pros and cons and everything and see if they talk about the same things, if they have different opinions and so on, okay? So the second one, what you need to do is you need to look at the sales page of that product, okay? Sales page, you know, look at the, you know, just like the overall things that we usually take a look at, the products or things that we usually buy in our daily lives. You have to take a look at the layout, the credibility, the wording and everything that is put out by the vendor or the owner of the products. For example, in my niche, in my affiliate marketing niche, you might want to take a look at the advertisement where they say, let's say like, you can make $1 million out of this within 1 month without doing anything. It's too extreme, you know, the message. It's not that plausible. So you can judge by your own instinct already that it's not going to be very true. So for example, in the weight loss niche, for example, if you want to do something outside the affiliate marketing niche, let's say buy this product and you can, let's say, lose 30 pounds within 1 week with whatever you want to do, you know, like you can eat everything you want and then you lose 30 pounds in 1 week. It's not real. You know, it's not realistic at all. So you can use your instinct to judge about this one. If the message is too extreme, it's not plausible, then you understand now that that product seems to be not so good, okay? At least to your reputation, you know. If you market it, you have to put the wording, no matter how nice you put, you know, your wording and everything. And then once they click into the sales page and they see the message that is too extreme like that, it's not going to be sellable. You know, people are not going to buy, and then you will somehow lose your reputation as a marketer who market that product, okay? So the next thing you need to do is that you need to be the buyer yourself, okay? Buy it yourself. Okay? In order to be confident when you talk about the product to your potential customers, and also you have to see the overall product, the content, the community, the support of the product and how it is, so that you can talk straight into the eyes of your potential customers and with confidence that whether this product is something that they should buy from you, and after they buy, what is the result that they are likely to get and things like that. So you have to shop around a bit. I spent a lot of money on this. I am someone who's like who is ready to jump into the products that are shown out there on the web if I decide by myself that, oh, this product seems likely to be like very good one. So, but most of the time I was also hooked. I was also got scammed because at the very beginning, especially my first year of this online marketing, I didn't know anything. I just bought whatever people marketed to me, and believing that, oh, this product with this great message can take me through the roof in terms of the income after I studied from this program and things like that. So most of the time it's not realistic and it's not doable, the tactics there and things like that. So I would say like more than 90% of the products out there on the web in the market is, I don't want to use the word, but it's really like crappy. And I spent more than 15,000 US dollars on these products before I get to meet the product that I am currently using and promoting and things like that. And also in my marketing life, okay, since I started this online journey, I always promote what I already bought. Why? Because I already know what is in there and what is good for me, and what is good for me is likely to be good for my potential customers, so that you can have the confidence when you talk with your potential customers, with your leads and so on, okay? So the next thing you might want to look at is that the product is transformational or just another another average one, I would say. Okay, so after you learn about the program or the product that you bought, does it give you any result that actually like change your life from before, compared to before you buy? Or is it just the same, or just giving a little bit of the value that does not transform your life, transform your body, let's say if you are in the weight loss niche, and also it does not transform your marketing strategy overall or your result as money if you are in the making money online niche like what I am in at this very moment. So something like that. So you have to see that there are so many products out there, and you might not believe me at this very moment that there are such products, okay, all over the market, and it's your due diligence that you have to do in order to go through all the piles of programs out there. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, getting to meet with the good products out there. So that's why a lot of marketers out there, they have a lot of history that they spend a lot of money on so many crappy products before they get to come to the conclusion that they will go with one product, and it's a good product right after they learn the lesson of the crappy products out there, okay? So I hope you understand that. So the next one, the fifth one, you have to ask yourself, would you like to sell it to your family? Okay, if it's really good, if it gives you like very good result, you will know by then, after you finish with the product, after the learning and everything, whether or not it's good for you. And it's good for you, it's likely to be good for people who are around you, and you are confident to sell it to your close people. Let's say your family members, your close friends and things like that. And there are also so many friends of mine who are interested in what I am doing, and then they contacted me asking what exactly I am promoting and what it will give to their lives, and things like that. So I can confidently telling them and try to instill them with the knowledge instead of try to be a salesy person and trying to sell to them at the very first minute we meet and things like that. No, actually what I am doing here since the very beginnings, as you see, from the strategy and everything that I get to learn from the program that I am using at this very moment, is that it's like more like a magnet marketing, where it draws on the people who are interested in my subject without actually going after them at all. Well, I have to go after them in terms of marketing, like to them, creating content in order to provide them with knowledge and things like that. But other than that, I don't do anything. People who are resonating with my product, they will just buy it after a certain period of time. It's just a matter of when. Okay, so first I would like to recap. First, you have to take a look at all the reviews there on the internet. Okay. Secondly, you have to take a look at the sales page itself of the product that you want to buy, whether or not it's like legitimate, whether or not it's plausible and doable and things like that, and actionable. And then the third one, you have to buy it yourself. By buying it yourself, it doesn't mean that you have to buy everything out there in the market and spending so much money on those programs. Okay, sometimes you have to take a look at some, let's say if you do the reviews and then you look at the sales page, you will know now which product you actually want to buy. And then after you buy, it doesn't mean that you will have to spend a lot of money. Let's say if you, like me, you might meet up with some bad programs. Okay, if it's bad, normally they will have the refund policy. Let's say before 30 days, right after you buy the products and things like that, normally they have like 30-day refund guarantee and things like that, and you can do the refund. But please don't be a serial refunders there. It's not so nice and it's not so good with the market and with everyone involved, including yourself. So please don't do that. But of course, if the product is not so good, there are normally like refund policy according to the law for you that is actually like more like a bulletproof proof for you guys that you don't have to spend something on the things that actually not so good for you. Okay, so the fourth one, is it transformation or is it just another average one that doesn't give you actually a real change in your life after you buy it? Okay, and then the last one, would you like to sell it to your family, your friends, if it's really good? If you feel like it's a little bit like it's good, but if you are yourself skeptical about that product, then actually it's not going to be so good to your customers in general. Okay, especially those who don't know you at all. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. I think you get to understand the good products and the bad products, but this is only the part one of how to pick good products out of all the bad products out there on the web. Okay, so there will be a second part from this topic that I would like to give it to you, so that you can go deeper in actually like get a grasp of it, like what actually the good product is, and also what actually like a bad product is, and so that you can also get a big picture other than this one. I think that's it, guys, for today. It's actually running quite long with this video, so if you have anything, you can just comment, ask me the question anytime you like. I'll be more than happy to give an answer to you guys as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and that's a support for me to come up with such video most frequently. Like nowadays I try to do it every single day so that you guys can enjoy my videos while also learning affiliate marketing at the same time. So without wasting your time anymore, I think I should say goodbye. It's time to bid farewell, and I will see you in the second part of this video. It's Tony C's. Bye for now.